The typewriter, a mechanical marvel that transformed communication. The invention of the typewriter marked a pivotal moment in the history of written communication. Before its arrival, handwriting was the primary method of recording information, a slow and often inconsistent process. The typewriter revolutionized this by introducing speed, clarity, and uniformity to writing. It changed how people documented ideas, ran businesses, and communicated across distances, becoming a key driver of modern communication. Although the idea of a machine to replicate writing dates back to the early 1700s, it wasn't until the 19th century that a functional and commercially viable typewriter emerged. In 1868, Christopher Latham Sholes, an American inventor, patented what would become the first practical typewriter. Manufactured and sold by Remington Sons, the Sholes and Glidden typewriter entered the market in 1873 and became the standard for years. This early machine worked by pressing keys that activated metal arms, called type bars, which struck an inked ribbon to imprint letters onto paper. It introduced the QWERTY keyboard layout, which Sholes designed to prevent type bar jams by spacing out commonly paired letters. That layout, created for mechanical efficiency, remains standard on today's computer keyboards. The typewriter quickly gained popularity in offices, journalism, and personal use. It allowed for faster and more legible writing, and its ability to create carbon copies improved documentation processes. As the typewriter became essential in business, it also opened doors for women to enter clerical roles, transforming the 20th century workforce. Throughout the 20th century, typewriters evolved from heavy manual machines to lighter and more efficient electric models. Companies like IBM and Smith Corona introduced innovations such as electric motors and type balls, which enhanced typing speed and ease of use. Though largely replaced by computers and digital word processors today, the typewriter's influence remains strong. It laid the foundation for modern typing systems and word processing software. Vintage typewriters are still admired for their nostalgic charm and mechanical beauty, cherished by collectors and writers alike. In essence, the typewriter was more than a tool. It was a technological and cultural milestone. It empowered people to express thoughts clearly and efficiently, and played a lasting role in shaping the way we interact with written language.